issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Gilead to near Sparta to near Sunbury, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, and Bladensburg. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Muskingum County is canceled.